In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove green screen in Flixier. To get started, open your Flixier project and make sure you are inside the editor. Once you are here, the first thing you need to do is import your green screen footage. To do that, click on the Import option located at the upper left-hand side of your screen. Then click on Click to Upload and select the green screen video from your device. After the video is imported, simply drag and drop the green screen clip into your timeline. Once it is placed on the timeline, you will be able to see the video preview. Before removing the green screen, make sure the green screen clip is selected in the timeline, as the effects will only apply to the selected video. With the clip selected, move to the upper right-hand side of your screen and open the Effects tab. Inside this panel, minimize the first effects section if needed, and find the green screen section. Here, you will first need to select the color that you want to remove. Click on the default color box, which usually appears black, and from the color selector, choose the exact green color used in your video. Once the green color is selected, increase the green screen intensity using the slider provided in the same section. As you increase the slider, you will notice the green background gradually disappearing. If you see any green edges or borders around your subject, continue adjusting the slider until those areas are completely removed. After making these adjustments, play the video to preview the results. If you notice any remaining green areas, you can fine-tune the slider further from the right-hand side panel until the output looks clean. And this is how you can remove green screen in Flixier.